This is Daniel from Visionary Teaching, back with another video to share how you can use speech bubbles as a high interest writing topic for your students. Before I get there, be sure to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on all future videos featuring great teaching ideas, and visit visionaryteaching.com for lots of great resources for teachers. So here's what we know about writing instruction. Students will write longer and students will write better when they are writing about someone or something that interests them. So this idea will cost you next to nothing. First, you want to introduce your students to books that use speech bubbles. So for older students, you might use comic books. We all know what comic books look like. For younger students, I like the Pigeon books by Mo Williams, full of speech bubbles and thought bubbles. For the kids in between, my son's personal favorites, we have the Wimpy Kid books. Lots of speech bubbles in there. So we want students to see that these are part of books that are out there and that they enjoy. So you can create your speech bubbles one of two ways. If you're skilled enough, you can just draw them and cut them out. Or you can use Microsoft Word or PowerPoint to draw them, print them, and cut them out. And if you're not sure how to do it with the Microsoft software, then check for the link. I have a tutorial video in the comments below for you. So here come 5 great ideas for incorporating speech bubbles and thought bubbles into your daily content instruction. Ask students to pick a favorite book and add some dialogue. This is engaging, high interest, and you might learn what your students already know about that book. Find a wordless book or one without much dialogue and ask students to add the character's thoughts. This is a great way to check for comprehension. Let students pick high interest pictures and then teach them how to add the bubbles themselves. They can pick favorite characters, favorite movies, and funny animal pictures are always a great choice. Here's another great idea. Students can share what they know about historical figures that they are studying, and you can help them create a book. Be sure to put that book in your self-selected reading library. So this is the final idea, and your kids are sure to love this one. You can have them put speech bubbles over pictures of familiar people, their parents, their friends, their teachers, their bus drivers. You might be interested to find out what they think that you are thinking, or what they say that you always say or their mom always says. Or you can have them fill out a speech bubble and place it live over themselves or their peers. So they can tell you what they're always saying, or they can get together with a friend. Here's my great friend Sancho, and students could write a thought bubble about what they think their friend is saying. So hope you enjoyed this video, got some great ideas. Make sure to put some great comments with your ideas and questions below. Check out visionaryteaching.com, and goodbye from me and Sancho.